Let's run the top command to check the memory usage of each process. As shown, there is a Perl process using the most memory. It's more than 180 megabytes. Let's run the ps command to see more details about this process. We can see it is the standard Perl binary executable shipped with the Linux distribution. Let's use OpenResty-X-Ray to check out this unmodified process. We can analyze it in real time and figure out what's going on. Open the OpenResty-X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. You can choose the right machine from the list below if the current one is not correct. Go to the guided analysis page. Here you can see different types of problems that you can diagnose. Let's select high memory usage. Click on Next. Select the Perl application. Select the process that consumes more than 180 megabytes of the memory resources. This is what we saw previously in top. Make sure that the application type is right. Usually, the default should be correct. OpenResty-X-Ray can analyze multiple language levels at the same time. We'll keep both Perl and C and C++ selected. We can also set the maximum analyzing time. We'll leave it as 300 seconds, which is the default value. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. Now it's executing the first round. The first round is done and it's on to the second one already. That's enough for this case. Let's stop analyzing. We can see it automatically creates an analysis report. This is the type of problem we are going to diagnose. It's memory. We can see most of the memory is allocated by the libc allocator. It's more than 160 megabytes. This is the Perl memory object reference path occupying the most memory. Obviously, this Perl VM uses most of the memory allocated by libc. It is in the services preprocessor Perl module. In the module's symbol table, there is a variable named order name cache. And this variable is a Perl hash table. Click to see more details. This object reference path is automatically inferred from this Perl LAN GC object's memory distribution flame graph. Below are more detailed explanations and suggestions regarding the current issue. It explains the objects and the data reference paths one by one. The module name, services preprocessor, corresponds to the Perl source file path. So we can find the source files through them. On the terminal, switch the current working directory to the Perl application's source tree. Use the find command to find the source file. Copy the full file path. Use the vim editor to open the source file. You can use any editor you like. Let's go back to the data reference path. Click the icon to copy the variable name for the Perl hash table. Paste what we just copied. We can see the hash table is defined here, and where this hash table variable is used. OpenResty-X-Ray can also monitor online processes automatically and show analysis reports. Go to the Insights page. You can find the reports on the Insights page for daily and weekly periods. For this reason, you don't have to use the guided analysis feature. Though guided analysis is useful for application development and demonstration purposes. OpenResty-X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.